Second year students, in previous session we have seen tumors of the conjunctiva. Now we will see the tumors of the orbit. Orbital tumors can be benign or malignant and arise primarily within the orbit or secondary from an adjacent source such as the eyelid, paranasal sinus or intracranial compartment. That means orbital tumors can be benign or malignant. Orbital means where the eyeball is situated and the surrounding supporting parts, it is made up of orbit, bony ridge, okay, strong bony ridge, okay. So orbital tumors can be benign or malignant, and the main source such as eyelid, if there is any tumors in eyelid or any trauma injury, so because of eyelid source एक ये भी है eyelid, paranasal sinus and intracranial compartment. First, benign tumors of the orbit. The more common benign pediatric tumors include dermoid tumors and vascular lesions such as capillary hemangioma. Okay, तो that means कॉमन जो बिनाइन ट्यूमर्स है वो पीडियाट्रिक ट्यूमर्स हैं, इंक्लूडिंग द डर्मोइड ट्यूमर्स एंड वेस्कुलर लीशंस. ट्रीटमेंट. The treatment for this dermoid tumors is excision. Means dermoid tumors excision is needed. Then meningiomas are treated with surgical debulking. Debulking means reduction of the tumor. Bulk means volume. जो ट्यूमर्स की वॉल्यूम जो बढ़ रही है उसको रिड्यूस करना, कम करना. ओके, सर्जिकल debulking. Now we will see the malignant tumor of the orbit. In children, the common malignant tumor including rhabdomyosarcoma. Rhabdomyosarcoma, that means rare malignant tumor involving muscle tissues. मतलब rare malignant tumor जो होते हैं वो involve करते हैं किसको? Muscle tissues को. The symptoms of the rhabdomyosarcoma including sudden paleness, proptosis. Proptosis means bulging or protruding eye. Bulging or protruding eye of the one eye followed by lid swelling, conjunctival chemosis. Chemosis means swelling or redness of the conjunctiva. That means swelling or edema of the conjunctiva. So malignant tumors of the orbit. In children, the common malignant tumors include the rhabdomyosarcoma, that means the real malignant tumors involving the muscle tissues. Okay, then symptoms will be sudden painless, proptosis, that means bulging or protruding eye, and this is followed by the lid swelling, lid will be swelled, and conjunctival chemosis. Chemosis means swelling or edema of the conjunctiva. Treatment. Accentration. Accentration means removal of the eye, all orbital contents also, okay, which can involve the eyelids as well. Then radiation therapy we have to provide, okay, for the treatment of malignant tumors of the orbit. Okay, now I am going to summarize this. Tumors of the orbit. This is a benign orbit. Tumors will be benign, can be benign or malignant, and the source of this tumor such as eyelid, paranasal sinus, then intracranial compartment. Benign tumors of the orbit It is a common benign pediatric tumors including the dermoid tumors. Treatment for that, dermoid tumors is excision for the dermoid tumors, and treated with surgical debulking. Debulking means to reduce reduction of tumors. Then malignant tumors of the orbit. In children, the common malignant tumors include the rhabdomyosarcoma, that means real malignant tumors involving the muscle tissue. The symptoms will be sudden painless proptosis, that means bulging or protruding eye, and this may followed by lid swelling and conjunctival chemosis. Chemosis means swelling or edema of the conjunctiva. Treatment, accentration, that means removal of the eye, all orbital contents, and which can involve the eyelids as well. Then radiation therapy also and chemotherapy also provided to treat the malignant tumors of the orbit. I hope you understood this session. Now in other session we will see the tumors of the retina.